Hey, how's it going, everybody? This episode of me babbling is sponsored by Love to Fix Electronics in Sacramento, California, 95608. He's supporting me, so I'm supporting him. He does electronics repair. You can mail him your devices too, and he'll fix them and mail them back. This looks like his website here. I sure hope it is, with the extensive research that I did. Free evaluation. You got labor. Starts as low as $25. Licensed, certified. Give him a good Yelp thing. All right. So this is Love to Fix. Oh, he already has 4.5 stars, so he must know what he's doing. All right. There you go. Call him, review him, all that good stuff. Give him 5 stars. He's helping me, so please let him help you. Alright, so let's see. What is this video about? Where was I before? Gallery, YouTube, internet. Was it this? No. Was it? Love to Fix. That's this one right here. So here's the video. Let's start at the beginning. Man uses Facebook Live to film encounter with Tulsa Police Department officer.
This story on our
Again, with a controversy tonight surrounding a man's encounter with an officer on TPD's gang unit. I'm Clay Loney.
I'm Shay Rozzi. This encounter first aired on Facebook Live.
What's your name? Identify yourself. Hey, watch this. I ain't gonna identify myself, but he gonna identify his.
The video shows growing tension between.
So, these guys, people say I get hostile, and yeah, I lose my temper, and yes, I need to start controlling that, blah, blah, blah. But when cops insult my intelligence straight to my face, I start to get hot. But anyway, here you go.
Officers and some of the people they serve.
New at 10, Fox 23, Sarah Whaley's reporting live with just how many times this video has now been shared, Sarah.
I just checked on that original video again tonight, Clay. It has about 2,000 shares, more than 4,000 comments. Some of those comments coming from people who don't necessarily like or agree with police, but who feel this man was completely out of line.
I ain't got else to do. Violate my rights.
Anger.
Don't talk to this devil. Don't talk to Esau, man. Esau.
Don't talk to Esau. He's talking about the biblical story of Jacob versus Esau. That's another video in and of itself.
Name calling.
And nobody likes to be treated badly.
Nobody likes to be treated badly, so why do guys with guns initiate contact with guys who aren't doing anything unlawful? How come that is the question that will not be asked. Instead, it's always, how come after we come approach you with our guns, do you start being rude to us?
Especially not while you're just doing your job.
Here's how the video starts.
Your job, you're not just doing your job. That's like the Nazi Nuremberg defense that didn't work in World War II. They're just doing their job. No, your job is not to approach law-abiding citizens with your guns and detain them. That is not your job. I'm sorry.
Hey, is right WRIGHT?
Hey, that's what I said, man. I'm not just about to keep talking to you, man. I already talked to you, man. I already told you what I need to tell you.
Okay, well, you're not calling the shots here. Okay.
I ain't got to call shots, but I'm not doing it.
See, he's not calling the shots. Why? What law? Okay. At no point in this news report, quote-unquote news, will you hear them actually cite a law. I promise you that.
Public service. Y'all serve us. We know our rights.
Police say the gentlemen were sitting in a car in front of a known drug house whose owner has a felony warrant.
Here's the spin. Known drug house. Out in front of a known drug house. Okay. Again, they're saying they're sitting outside of a known drug house. That might be suspicious, but that's not reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime, nor does it give them probable cause to detain.
They say that's why they wanted their names. The man in the passenger seat
That's why they wanted their names.
says he doesn't have to give his name.
I'm going to have to identify myself. And I say I do. I'm waiting for y'all to violate my rights. Yeah, I'm going to get paid. Yeah. You go stand there and look stupid on this
Yeah, now he's getting that guilty grin on his face because he's guilty. That's exactly what's going on.
camera.
The men in the video mentioned that other officers in a blue car recently talked with them as well. They say they're doing nothing wrong and feel like the officers are harassing them.
What's your name? Identify yourself. Hey, watch this.
Second time they played this clip.
I ain't gonna gonna identify myself, but he gonna identify his. What's your name? Bill.
Officer Jeannie McKenzie says the men in the car were purposely trying to anger the officer.
See that the haters. This is a police apologist right here. Yeah, so this guy's just begging me. Let's see here. This is a guy, Derek Gillenkirk. And you're not getting your own video. You're just going to be part of this one. Are you the guy that makes videos about cops? Maybe. That's kind of effed you zero. Specifics aren't your thing, huh? I'm not trying to be mean, but cops help people so much and you criticize cops. That's wrong. They also kill many people, 1,200 each year. They also rape and steal. Why ignore all that? That's very true, but no matter how bad they are, they still save tons of people. And I'm like, you're still apologizing. The bad outweighs the good. Not all the time. Okay, cool. Yeah, cool for you. Thumbs up, thumbs up. I mean, yeah, police can be effed up sometimes, but I mean, come on. Oh my God. Okay. Bro. Awesome. This is fun. There you go. Button in on my video. Where the hell were we?
You stink like a clown animal.
He made a
Oh my God. So this guy says you stink like a clown animal. Using biblical references. Oh, let's say he finally got butthurt. Yeah, F off. See? You just can't handle it. Okay, thank you.
comment in the video that he's going to get paid for this. He was trying to get that officer to do something, to react.
And yes, he was doing that. But did the officer not come over to the car trying to get them to do something, incriminate, stir up some action, justify your existence? Come on now.
So he could, use that against him.
The officer eventually just leaves.
Yeah, we the chosen.
We the chosen. So, I don't know. I get hostile because they insult my intelligence, just like this guy thinks that all police do is great things. But when I mention all, it's like, yeah, they do all that too, but what? It's not excusable. So this cop in this video who just drove off, he actually showed some restraint. But I promise you, if you didn't have the cell phone camera running and you didn't make a big deal out of it, they would just pretend like what they're doing is normal, violating people's rights, and it's not. So again, let's see who sponsored this. The guy's name is Love, the number 2 Fix Electronics Repair in Sacramento, California, 95608. Support him because he supported me. This guy, this police apologist, yeah, police do all these bad things too, but they save tons of people, so it's all good. All right, awesome video. I want to thank everyone again for watching. Go to my Patreon if you want to support me. Do some Patreon stuff. Do $1 a month. I don't care. Do 25. Do 0.001 cent a month. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I love you. What's this guy's name again? Derek Gillenkirk. Look at. Oh my God. I didn't look at the picture or anything, so let's view his profile real quick. Alright. Good looking guy right there. I mean the one on the left. Oh, he's a young dude. Probably has police in his family. Sorry, bro. Police don't do tons of good as much as you think. Type in police brutality on any YouTube, social media, Google. Come on, man. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace.